Welcome to day 25, your email list, your digital real estate. So, welcome back to our day 25 of our Confidence to Cash Sprint. And today we're going to dive into something that's absolutely crucial for your long term business success. It's your email list. While social media might seem like that golden ticket, it's actually just borrowed land. Your email list, however, is your digital real estate that no one can take away from you. Whenever I first started, I was completely caught up in the social media game. Every like, every comment, every share felt like the validation that I needed. But I quickly learned that building a business solely on social media is like building a house on the shifting sand. Platforms change their algorithms overnight, accounts get suspended without warning, and your entire network can fade out without you even knowing anything about it. This is where your email list becomes your business' strongest asset. Think of it as like a direct line to the people who actively chosen to hear from you. There's no algorithm to fight. There's no platforms that changes to worry about. Most importantly, there's no middleman in between you and your audience. It's pure direct communication with the people who want to hear from you and hear what you have to say. The beauty of the email list lies in the versatility and the reliability. You can use it to share valuable insights, announce new offerings, or simply maintain a consistent connection with your audience. Unlike your social media posts that disappear into your feeds within hours, emails land directly into your subscribers' inbox, waiting for them to open it at their convenience. So, one of the most powerful aspects of email marketing is the ability to nurture the relationships over time. You're not just another post in a crowded feed. You're a welcome guest in someone's inbox. The direct connection allows you to build trust, showcase your expertise, convert your subscribers into customers naturally and authentically. Let's talk about how you can start building your list today. First, create a simple but valuable lead magnet. This might be a quick guide, a helpful checklist, or even a short video tutorial. This is key to solving a specific problem that your ideal client has and they face. Make it something that they can consume and implement quickly for an immediate win. Set up a basic landing page to collect email addresses and don't get caught up in all of that making it perfect. A simple, clean design with clear benefits will do the job. There are plenty of user-friendly platforms that offer free options for you to get started. And the most important thing is to have your system in place to capture those valuable email addresses. And if you have no clue where to start on that, all you have to do is ask, because I can tell you the perfect platform to get started on, and it is free. Your third step is to write your welcome email. This is your first impression to make it count. Introduce yourself warmly, thank them for subscribing, and deliver on whatever you promised as your lead magnet. Include a brief story about you and who you are and what you do. This helps create immediate connection. As you grow your list, remember to maintain consistent communication schedule. Set a schedule for your emails and stick to it, whether it's weekly updates, monthly newsletters, bi-weekly value-packed content. Consistency helps build your trust and keeps your audience engaged. Quality always trumps quantity. So focus on providing genuine value in every email that you send. Here's an important mindset shift. Every person on your list is a real individual who has chosen to connect with you. They're not just number, they're your potential clients, collaborators, and advocates for your business. Treat your list with respect, and it will become the most valuable business asset that you have. Your action step for today is straightforward. Start building your email list. If you already have one, send an email to your subscribers today. Remember, done is better than perfect. Take action now, and you'll be building a stable foundation for your business's future growth. Your email list is your ticket to long-term success in the digital world. So I can take you step by step, showing you how to set up a lead magnet, how to set up your thank you page, how to do all of this. It is so simple to do. And I can tell you that you will get so much benefit of starting your email list. I will see you tomorrow.